Alright, I think this is the fourth flight on the Rafale 80 by FMS. We got a 5000 smart pack. I tried to move it back just a little bit farther, help me get off this runway, so hope it flies okay back that far and lands okay, but we'll see. Alright, I'm wide open. Need a bump. Come on, there we go. Whew. Boy, she don't like to lift off. She went nose high when she did it too. Alright, let's see if we need any trim. I think we're okay. I'm gonna put a little left aileron in it. Alright, I think we're good. This plane does not have a gyro on it. It didn't come with one, and I didn't put a receiver with one in it, so it would probably be a little bit better with one, but it handles them, you know, 10 mile an hour, it handles it pretty good. It definitely does not have unlimited vertical. It'll stall out pretty fast. Nothing like the Mirage. That's about as high as I could get right there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I think that went quick. I guess we're gonna put her down. Seemed like that was no time.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh yeah, I like that, Lena. That was the best landing I've done in a long time, actually. Alright, I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit and we'll do another one. I got one more battery left.